In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Smartsheet form. Whether you're gathering responses for a survey, managing feedback, or collecting any type of data, Smartsheet forms offer a smooth and customizable solution. First, you'll want to log into your Smartsheet account and navigate to your workspace. This is where you'll find all your sheets and projects ready to go. Once you've accessed your workspace, open the specific sheet where you want to collect your form responses. It's crucial that this sheet is set up with the right columns corresponding to the information you want to collect, such as name, email, comments, and so on. This ensures that each response is correctly logged in the appropriate spaces. Next, locate the Forms tab in the upper menu of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal an option to create form. Simply select that option to begin the creation process. A crucial step here is renaming the form to give it a distinctive title so that it's easily identifiable. Click on the title at the top of the page to change it to something that reflects its purpose or audience. If you feel users might need additional context or instructions, utilize the description box to provide that background. This step is optional but can enhance the clarity of the form for respondents. Now, you may wish to customize the order of the fields according to how you want the form to flow. This is a simple drag and drop process, allowing you to rearrange the sequence as needed. When you click on a field, you can edit its label to suit your needs. Additionally, you can make certain fields mandatory by marking them as required, ensuring you gather all necessary information. After arranging your fields and settings, you'll want to explore the Settings at the top of the page. Here you can access a variety of configuration options, such as those for theme and brand customization, security settings, and form submission preferences. These options allow you to tailor the form's appearance and functionality to align with your specific needs or company's branding. Once you've finalized your form setup, don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner. This ensures all your changes and configurations are recorded. To share your form with your intended audience, click Share Form in the upper right corner. You can distribute it in several ways, whether by sending a direct email, providing a shareable link, or embedding it on your website for easier access. After your form starts receiving responses, all submissions will conveniently appear as new rows at the bottom of your linked sheet. This automatic integration streamlines the process of data collection and management, maintaining organization and efficiency. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a Smartsheet form. Thank you for watching, and happy Smartsheeting!